Ici, c'est vraiment le lieu de ma jeunesse, c'est le lieu où vraiment j'étais heureux.
Yes, it is here that I spent
J'étais
my
heureux dans
youth.
ces
I was
ortillonnages.
happy rowing my boat between these marshland
Et
gardens. In the
je
evening,
passais le
the
meilleur
market
de mon
gardeners
temps à
brought
faire
their
du bateau dans
vegetables
ces
by
petits
boat
rios
for the water market at the foot of the
où
cathedral
il n'y
in
avait à
Amiens.
l'époque que des ortillons, c'est-à-dire des maraîchers qui descendaient tous les soirs sur leur barque les légumes au marché aux légumes qui est sous la cathédrale d'Amiens. C'est évident que ça a un peu changé, mais il y a une atmosphère, enfin il y a cette eau, il y a cet hommage à Monet dans le fond que j'ai rêvé un peu.
There have been changes, of
À
course,
certains
but the
endroits.
atmosphere is the same.
Mais
There is the water and places which
il y a
set me dreaming of
surtout
Monet. Above all, there are memories of
moments-
certain moments, here in
moments
Amiens
d'amis
and Abbeville, or by
que
the
j'ai
banks of
retrouvé
the
ici
Seine,
à Amiens
where
et
I returned after my
à
mother's
Abbeville,
death 6
le long
years
de la
ago.
Somme, où, après la mort de ma mère, il y a 6 ans, j'ai brusquement retrouvé tous ces lieux. J'ai retrouvé en moi tous mes souvenirs, tout est remonté.
All those places,
Et
those
ça fait
memories
partie
surged up in
d'une
me
espèce de
then
fresque
and became part of the fresco I
qui
have been
travaille
working
depuis
on
des
for
années.
years, far
C'est
from
loin
here,
d'ici,
yet it is full of the
mais c'est
poetry
quand
of
même
this
chargé
place.
de la poésie de ce lieu. Je suis venu ici pour continuer ma vie, pour l'alimenter au meilleur de moi-même. Et c'est sans aucune espèce de
I came here to
nostalgie,
carry on my
tristesse que
life,
je
to
suis
nourish
ici.
it, not feeling the least
On-
nostalgia or
On
sadness.
enchaînera sur les tableaux.
Well, we'll move on to the paintings.
Oui, lorsque j'entre dans l'atelier tous les matins,
Each morning I arrive in my studio loaded with whatever dramatic events are taking place in the world. One feels the need to express them, even scream about them, or sometimes restore one's balance through the joy of some little flower seen on the way. One is so full of so many things that it is sometimes hard to get one's bearings.
On est chargé de tellement de choses que c'est bien difficile parfois de s'y retrouver. Dans toutes ces misères humaines, il y a comme une
Behind all the suffering of mankind,
épigramme.
there is a sort of implicit suffering, and for me, this is bound up with Christ's
Je
passion.
rattache à la passion du Christ. Je l'ai ressenti comme ça, je la ressens comme ça. Ainsi, par exemple, lorsque j'ai songé à cette mère qui...
For instance, when I imagined the anguish of this mother at the death of her son, you can see that I was thinking simultaneously of another mother of a son condemned to death, that is, of Mary.
qui était la mère d'un condamné à mort et qui était Marie. J'ai été appelé à faire ces favelas d'abord par...
It was my meeting with Donel de Camara which moved me to paint these slums, these favelas. Here I may seem to be expressing just events in South America, but there is the whole world. Lebanon, for instance. One wants to scream, stop this. How can we breathe on a planet where there are confrontations everywhere that have become so confused that we can no longer really understand what they're all about? Then there was the murder of Monsignor Romero. There were more than 150 deaths at the time of his funeral. I think he spoke in El Salvador in much the same way as did Donel de Camara. Each canvas shows some new technical invention and way of revealing its poetic content. While I was painting Vietnam, for instance, I was imagining that dramatic atmosphere, those crimson swamps, and all the upheaval in that part of the world. So I covered this canvas with a fairly thick layer of red paint and let it dry. Then I spread a grey-black film over the red, and while the paint was still wet, I scraped it to let the red show through.
Dans la pâte encore fraîche, j'ai arraché, j'ai redécouvert le rouge qui était en dessous.
The favelas came rather slowly. A sort of weariness, a strange calm. This repetition of dark spots. A non-violent approach.
Très douce, non violente en quelque sorte par rapport à d'autres toiles. Ma vie s'est éclairée de toutes ces couleurs.
My life has been lit up by all these colors. This rectangle I find waiting for me each morning, which says hello, has given a sense to my life.
Qui est là tous les matins à m'attendre et à me dire bonjour.
The studio is always impregnated with the smell of oil and turpentine, and I always add a drop of spike oil, which is an essence of lavender, simply for its scent. I can't do without it. I have tried several times to use modern preparations, but the next day there is always a smell of death in the studio.
J'ai essayé plusieurs fois d'employer des produits plus modernes, mais le lendemain, l'atelier sentait la mort. Le peintre a fait ce qu'il a pu pour sa toile. C'est la toile qui doit, après, aller vers les autres. Enfin, le peintre doit toujours se tenir derrière ses toiles, se cacher derrière ses toiles. Et ce sont ces toiles qui doivent parler pour lui.
The painter should always let his painting speak for him. I speak out because I'm forced to do so, but really I should like to keep silent. For the moment I must finish what I was saying about the experience of a return to childhood, which counterbalances the whole of this dramatic series. The problem was how to express what I wanted to without betraying my art, which constantly orders me to keep silent and just paint.
Comment atteindre mon but sans être infidèle à ma peinture qui sans cesse me dit de me taire et de peindre. Ma vie est ponctuée d'émotions profondes qui durent, qui ont un prolongement, un écho très lent, très profond.
My life is punctuated by deep emotions prolonged by long, slow echoes. Each period, each successive shock has thus been prolongated over several years. These favelas, for instance, went on for 5 or 6 years, and I still don't know if they are really finished.
Si j'ai fini ou pas. Les toiles avancent ensemble. Je ne prends pas une toile blanche et puis je la finis, et puis je reprends une autre toile blanche et puis je la finis. Non, pendant des années, je reprends.
I work on several canvases at once and go over them for years. Some come quickly, others very slowly. It is a painter's job not only to paint, but to listen to his paintings. Sometimes he must try to hear what is wrong with one of them, what is not harmonious, what is crying out for help. When at last a painting has called out to him violently or gently, the reply comes in a flash. He sees clearly and quickly what must be done, but sometimes he waits for months before he can hear what it wants from him. This period when his eyes wander over the canvas and he does not know what to do next may last a long time.
Lorsque c'est un appel de la toile, la réponse est fulgurante. On voit très très clairement et c'est très rapidement fait. Et parfois on reste des mois sans entendre la demande de la toile, sans comprendre ce que la toile veut. Et le temps de l'écoute pour le peintre, le temps du regard, qui ne sait plus comment la toile doit continuer, est un temps très long parfois. Il faut qu'une toile soit complètement oubliée du peintre.
When the painter can completely forget his painting, when his eye is no longer drawn to any particular spot, when he is at peace and the canvas seems to say, I no longer need you, then he can believe it is really finished. But he can never be sure that it won't summon him again.
La toile est terminée. Mais on n'est jamais sûr qu'un jour elle vous appellera encore. Enfin. Je me suis mis à faire une série de mes sables.
I began this series of sands because I wanted to walk on the sands of my childhood and breathe among them. I have always felt a need for this oxygen and for the child in me who is not quite dead and still keeps a sort of freshness and joy.
Certaine fraîcheur.
Here I think I'm beginning to discover my sands. Something is happening.
Quelque chose qui se passe. J'en ai déchiré beaucoup. Parfois je disais merde.
I've torn up a lot and said blast and started again.
On sent le sable. L'eau commence à couler sur le
You can feel the sands coming and water beginning to flow over it.
Il y en a d'étranges comme ça.
Strange things happen, almost as if eyes are appearing in it.
Oui, je suis là devant ma boîte de galets, cette petite boîte de galets de 77, si précieuse à mon cœur.
Yes, I'm here with my box of pebbles, this precious little box dating 1977, which I cherish, first because it was the starting point of the whole series of sands, and secondly because it recalls so many memories of early childhood, when the Bay of the Somme was still pure and beautiful. When I saw it again that year, it was dirty and polluted, with a greenish luster all over the shore.
Que j'ai retrouvé cette année-là, déjà très pollué, très sali, avec un reflet verdâtre sur tout le sable. J'ai laissé ça en état.
I have left them as they are. I shan't touch them or work on them. I don't want to do real paintings of them. All these are entirely figurative, of course. They are documents, like playing scales.
Les documents sont des gammes. Mais pourquoi pas?
But why should we free ourselves of all constraint, all aesthetics, whether abstract or not? What counts in the end is what we love, what we have loved and will love again, and the intensity of our meditation.
Ce qu'on aime, ce qu'on a aimé, ce qu'on aimera encore, et l'intensité qu'on peut apporter à son regard intérieur.